Presiden ka parti BJP ha kajalla ba Ernest Mauri uloong babun hi na kinongkit kam na ka parti kilada ban ai ka jingmut ban Weng no ka Jingkyrshan ka Sorkar MDA watla ka BJP ka de ka parti beladon bentalang banthau ka ne ka Sorkar MDA Henry Shwa ban Weng no ka Jingkyrshan on sai shong perkhat shwa bat kinong mi khmat na ka parti BJP ha ka ba onda lala ban rai on pha da ka jingtho sikinong yalam ki bahalor jong ka parti sa Delhi hakaba ka rai khadu kan long na Delhi but on board kat kum ka rai bami na ki bor ki bahalor jong ka parti.
District committee today, most of the party caricators, office bearer, district president, they have come to idea and suggestion even to withdraw from the government also. So you see, we are the one who take initiative to form this government, MDA, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. So before we withdraw support from the government, I have to sit with our both MLA representative, and we have to discuss together. And when we have come to conclusion whether to withdraw or to support, we have to write a letter to our central leader in Delhi, and they will give us the direction. That is the procedure where we have to follow. That is very clear. It is not that we'll take our own decision. Yeah, we have got the right to suggest them, and they will give us suggestion how to do with that decision.
But then out of the government.
Yeah, actually, it is not my personal opinion. I have to sit with both the representative, Ba Head and Ba Sanbor, and we have to discuss thoroughly in that meeting. Then we'll take a decision. Then we'll come to the press what decision we are taking. Yes, very much. He was there in the August House. He has heard about the demand of the majority of the party caricators, the members of the party, but he also has given the same statement. This matter has to be informed to the central leaders, and our Honorable National President, he will take a call and will advise us.